Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, look what I got. Yeah, little itty bitty tiny little machine. Look at this one, look. Little itty bitty motherboard. Yummy. Well, half of it is going in this, along with a new motherboard, which is over here. I have got a Pro B550-P Gen3 AMD socket, AM4. So, yep, this is quite a beast. I've got the next one up from it. I'm not going to get it out right at the moment, but you get the idea. I'm building a computer. Yep, only got 8 gig of RAM. I bought that off of Fleabay, 90 quid, and it's got the processor that I need, the RAM that I need, and that was about it. But it did come with an extra added bonus. It has a DVD writer, and it's tiny. It's tiny. It's CD size, obviously. But wow, it's tiny. I'm used to them like twice as 2-3 times as thick, and then there's normally like holes in the side where you can screw it into the side of it, and here I've got nothing. I've got nothing. It's just like there. That's where it's supposed to go. But on that machine it goes in that way. I don't even know which way's up. I've never seen one of these. I think that's the way up. But yeah, I'm going to find a way to mount this in here, even if I just sit it there and sellotape it or something, because I'll take this door off. It don't matter. This isn't going to be like a major personal machine. This is a little workhorse that I'm going to use for recording and stuff. Bit of a big case, I know, but it's the only one available to me at the moment. It's my spare one. I bought this for another system I built, but it was taking up too much room. So I bought a smaller case and transferred my system into the smaller one, and this one's gone in storage. So now this one is out here now. Don't have to get myself involved, don't I, eh? So yeah, power supply, 800 watt Rampage. Yeah, it's upside down, I know. This kind of, the PC that I bought came with a, was he 258, 256? Yeah, 256 gigabyte SATA hard drive, 6 gig a second. So that's rather nice. And it's a nice, clean, posh alloy case too. Look at that. Micron. They do good exhausts, apparently. Ring, ding, 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 ding. Yep. Right, okay. Onwards. I've got to go get my fans because I am missing a fan from here and somewhere else. Where else were they? I think there was one down there. I think. Ah, no, they went in the front here. That's it. There's 2 that go in the front here. One that goes there. But seeing as this is out in outdoors, I don't think I'm going to have to worry about too much heat. So there's plenty of breathe holes in this thing. I've got a side panel somewhere. Don't ask me where, but they're somewhere. If not, I'll just have to build a box for it. Oh look, my #1 fan. That was bad, wasn't it? Yeah, I know. First fan is in. The other 2 are there. They've got to go in there. Great. Okay. Power supply is in. Motherboard is in. Fans are in. 1 there, 2 down there, blah blah blah. So now I'm just sort of going to fit the processor and wire up. That's the worst bit, it's the wiring up. Ah, we'll get there. Can only go wrong. Well, we've got power. graphics card in, processor's up and running. Hard drive seems to be plugged in alright. Yeah. The only thing I haven't got yet is graphics. I've got a feeling I might be in the wrong port. It hasn't got the graphics for the driver for that, that's why. Yep, so this. That's why the graphics card isn't working, because there's no driver for it. So that should run straight off the board. Nope, not yet. Ah, maybe. No, that's off. That's on. Yeah, that's on. Okay. Needs investigating. Fans are on. Fans are all working. Ah! No, that's a CD-ROM. Unless SATA 1 and 2, that should be fine. Okay, there's an error here somewhere where I don't have graphics. Don't know why yet. It could be motherboard drivers. Might have to deconstruct and work backwards, because that's not ready yet. Damn. Okay. Righto, power off, try again. Yep, it's behaving like one, so every time. Twice. Let's go. Wow, that sounds a bit different. Fans on. Fans on. Fans. He's giving it beans, isn't he? Don't know why. Shouldn't be. Noisy little bugger. Fan on the power supply's off, which is weird. But yeah, but have we got the desktop? Oh yes, indeed, we have. User's password must be changed before signing in. The only thing I don't have is a mouse and a keyboard at the moment. Until I sort that out, I've got some somewhere. I have to dig one out. But yeah, that's good to know. Powered up, running. Just got to run some internet out here now. Good. So about an hour. Put all that together. Yeah, rock on, my man. Yeah. Downloading Firefox on Wi-Fi in my garage, and my house is over there. That's a good, like, yeah, that's quite a way. It's installing, so it's whoa. I've got to take this graphics card out. I don't think I need it, and for some reason, whether I have the power cables plugged in or not, the fan just keeps going and going and going, unless it's because I don't have the drivers installed yet for it. I will be sorting that out in a minute, because I will be getting a whatchamacallem, driver updater, download installer program thingy. So it automatically updates all my system drivers and hardware and software and them. Yeah. Yeah, not bad, not bad, not bad. Lovely clean garage now though. Yeah, not far off. Just got boxes and bags of junk to go through and sort out and arrange. But never mind. Got me tickets up. Yeah. Noisy, noisy, noisy. Hiss fan. Right, okay, yep, so Firefox will be going on, then all the ad blockers and stuff like that, and antivirus and things like that before anything goes on here, because it's a clean system. Win 11 Pro, running on an i5 with 8 gig of RAM, and I want to get that DVD writer installed somehow. Oh yeah, I might be able to. Oh, I don't know, I'm not sure yet. Got to look at that. Yeah, my CPU cooler is literally just sat on the CPU. I have got some more thermal paste lying around, so I'm going to clean both up, the base of this and the top of the CPU as well. I'm going to clean them up. And I haven't got any proper mounting, because look, the hole for it is down there, and the hole for that one is right over here, which is going on over there as well. So the actual mounting brackets are completely different. This is the wrong cooling fan unit for this type of motherboard. There needs either the proper one or a bracket to go on there for this to fit. That ain't going to happen straight away. So what I am going to do is, you ain't going to believe this, zip ties. Yep, I'm going to use some zip ties. They're not going to overheat, they're not going to melt. For what I'm doing and the amount of air that this case has got, this will never get too hot, especially for what I'm doing. I'm not gaming or anything like that. I'm literally just streaming and browsing with this machine. It's going to be my little workhorse. Even this motherboard is overkill for that. Yeah, it's one of those. But the thing with this one is this should last absolutely years and years and years. So we're good. We're good to go. And if I ever wanted to upgrade it into a gaming machine, I can. Not that I need to, but I do need more RAM. That'd be nice. But as it is, this is quick as heck. This is quite a fast little nippy little system, and I'm quite impressed with it. But yep, zip tie is central. And then I can stand it upright and stack it out of the way and put the monitor on a bench once I've built something for it. I don't know where to put it. That's my next sort of issue, is where the hell am I going to put it? Anyway, zip ties.